Hello and welcome to Simon English. This is Phonics Short U Vowel Reading Practice Part 2. Hum, some, yum, fun, gun, none, pun, pup, cup, bus, bud, mud, rut, sub, rub. That was excellent. All right. Shall we do that one more time? Okay, here we go. Hum, some, yum, fun, gun, none, pun, pup, cup, bus, bud, mud, rut, sub, rub. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can keep on receiving all our videos. Please leave a message in the comments and let us know where in the world you're watching our videos. Thanks very much. Bye now.